Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to have a look at how you can display the upcoming events using the List and Calendar widget in Jet Engine plugin for Elementor. So once you have created the custom post type and you added the meta field, which contains the date, what you go now is go to a page where you want your calendar to be, you drop it on a new section, then you choose a listing for the events that you have created beforehand, and these events are going to be displayed here in the cells of your calendar. Now in the group post by dropdown, you have to choose the date from custom field in order to pull out the date from a specific custom field that you have assigned to this particular post type. And there we go. Now we can see all the events that the listen calendar pulls out. So now what we need to do is to filter these events so the calendar only shows the events that are upcoming. So let's say that today's date is the 22nd of February. So in that case, what we need to do is to get rid of these two events because they have already happened and the upcoming ones are these four. We can do that if we go to post query and create a new meta query item. In the name, in the key field here, what we need to do is to paste that name of the field from which the calendar is gonna get the information, that particular date. In the operator, we need to set it greater or equal. Next, in the type, we select not the character but date. So it ensures that we're working with the date. And here in the value, what we need to type in is today. Simply type in today and you see that now in the calendar we only see the events that are happening after the today's date, so after the 22nd of February. So this is how you simply display the upcoming events in the calendar widget with the help of Jet Engine plugin for Elementor. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.